Hello children, good morning. How are you all? You're all watching the video lessons and enjoying, right children? Yes, very good. Today children, we are going to learn about a new topic which is very interesting to us. You also learnt about it in your pre-primary also. But today we are going to learn little more about that. Okay children, shall we start our new lesson? Seasons and directions. Okay children, shall we start? Now teacher will show you something. What is this? What is this children? This is a globe. What is this? This is a globe. Globe is the model of our earth. Where are we living? We are all living on the earth, right children? Yes, many of you might be knowing that we are all living on the earth. This globe is the model of our earth. Okay children, you know this globe will always be covered by a layer of air called atmosphere. Okay, this globe will always be covered by a layer of air called atmosphere. Okay children, now what is atmosphere? Atmosphere is a very big word to you, right? Yes, now teacher will tell small example. Now, how will our classroom be? Yes, you will all be sitting like very good children and teacher will be explaining many things to you. You will all be listening to the teacher. Isn't it children? Yes, this happens in a classroom or not? Yes, so that is the classroom atmosphere. We'll be having many things in the classroom atmosphere, right? The teacher will be writing, children will be very good sitting and listening to the teachers, isn't it? Yes, when one of the children is just moving and roaming around in the class, what will happen? The classroom atmosphere will get changed, little disturbed, right? He is disturbing the other children, so little changes will happen. Yes, the changes in the classroom atmosphere. The same way, the changes in our Earth's atmosphere will result in weather. Okay, weather is nothing but changes in the atmosphere. Okay children, what is weather? Weather is changes in the atmosphere. Now think little bit. Yesterday morning, how was the weather? It was pleasant, good for us. Okay, and yesterday afternoon, how was it? Little hot, isn't it children? We were feeling it. Yes, and yesterday evening, how was the weather? It was again little cool. Yes, a pleasant one. So morning the weather was little pleasant, afternoon it was little hot, and evening again it was little cool. So the weather is not constant, it keeps changing. The weather is not constant. No, the weather is not constant. Okay children, it keeps changing. Okay, constant is nothing but same. The weather was not same yesterday whole day, right? Weather was changing in a particular day. Okay children, understood what is that? So there are different types of weathers. Now teacher will show you. See, can you see this children? What is this? A bright sun. Yes, so if the weather is very hot and we are feeling very sweating and all, then we call the weather is very sunny today. Okay children, now see this. Yes, we all like this, right? As the cloud is smiling, we will also feel happy when we see this rain. So then the weather there is rainy. How's the weather? Rainy. Now shall we go to the next one? Yes. See this? We all see this, right? When there is heavy rain, lightning, thunderstorms, isn't it children? So the weather then is stormy. How's the weather? Stormy. Now see this. When there is lots of wind, heavy wind. Yes, all the trees will be shedding their leaves. See, the leaves are falling down and there will be lots of wind, dust around us. Yes, the weather is windy. Okay. Now, the other one, who's this? Our snowman, isn't it children? Snowman. When can we make a snowman? When there there is lot of snowfall. When can there be snowfall? In winter season. Yes, when it is very cold, then we call it as the weather is snowy. Okay. Now what is this? Foggy. Snow we will rarely see in our country, but this fog we can see in the winter. Yes children, when you are traveling on a cool winter morning, if you just rub the windows and see, you can see the little fog over there. Yes, you can write ABCs. Yes children. Yes, so the weather there is foggy. Now we have seen different types of weathers, right children? What is a season? You all know there are different seasons, right? Now can you tell me what is a season children? Season is nothing but changes in the weather over a period of a year. For example, take one day, okay? Take one day. When you come to school, how many periods you will have in one day? You will have 7 periods. You will have games periods, English periods, maths periods, EVS periods, Telugu, languages, everything you will have, right children? So your day at school is divided into 7 periods. The same way, a year is divided into different seasons. Okay, seasons are nothing but the periods of a year. Okay children, now you understood? Period. Okay, remember the word? Seasons are nothing but the periods of a year. Okay, these seasons are divided into the periods based on the weather. These seasons are divided into periods based on the weather. Understood? Different words. Weather is changes in the atmosphere. Seasons is changes in weather over a period of a year. Climate is weather at a particular place. This is very important for our learning of seasons. Okay children, please remember everything. Now shall we go back to our pictures and see more about that? Come on. Yes children, now can you see this? We are going to discuss about seasons now. Shall we start? Yes, weather. Weather is the changes in the atmosphere. Teacher told you, right? What is weather? Weather is nothing but changes in the atmosphere. And see this children, this is our earth. As teacher has shown you the globe. And see this, the atmosphere, a layer of air. Teacher told you, right? Atmosphere is nothing but a layer of air. It is protecting us from the sun and it is giving us all the necessary gases. Okay children, see this picture once again closely. Yes, you understood right now. Shall we move on to the next one? Yes, types of weather. Teacher told you about different types of weather, right? Sunny, windy, rainy, foggy, snowy, cloudy. Yes children, shall we move on? Now we are going to discuss about our first season, that is summer. Okay children, see this. What should we eat in summer? What are the fruits that we get during summer? Watermelon, mango, pineapple, guava. These fruits are very important for us to have in summer season. And we should also drink lots of water in the summer season. And what clothes you wear in the summer season, children? You all know that, right? Yes, cotton clothes. Do you know, children, why do we wear cotton clothes in the summer season? Because the cotton clothes absorbs the sweat. We will be sweating a lot in the summer season, isn't it? So the cotton clothes will absorb the sweat and make us feel comfortable. For that reason, we need to wear the cotton clothes. Okay, children? And we also use the sunscreen lotion, our cap, the goggles, and we also use umbrella, right? When we are going out on a hot summer day, we will also use umbrella, right children? Yes, to protect us from the sun, isn't it? Yes. Shall we move on? Yes. About summer. Please look at this carefully, children. Yes, the sun rays fall directly over the earth. See this? Why we will be feeling very hot in the summer season? Why the weather is very hot? Do you know? Because the sun rays will be falling directly over the earth on the summer season. Okay, children? Now, in summer, the days are long and nights will be short. Okay, we will have a long daytime and small night time. A short period for night. Okay, children? These are very important things that you will remember. The sun rays fall directly over the earth in which season? Summer season. And the days are long and nights are short in which season? Summer season. Understood, children? Shall we move on? Yes. Now, teacher told you about period. Isn't it, children? Summer period. Like you have maths period, like you have EVS period. There is also a summer period in a year. So, what are the months that come under summer period? April, May, June. We have 12 months in a year, right, children? Those 12 months are divided into different periods which we call as seasons. So, in the summer period, we will have 3 months. April, May, June. Okay, children? You all know that weather will be very hot in the summer season. And what do we use to make ourselves comfortable? We use the air conditioner, air cooler, fan, everything so that we can feel comfortable staying indoors. Isn't it, children? Now you understood the 5 important points about summer. Yes, the clothes we wear in summer. What clothes do we wear in summer? Cotton clothes. And what are the seasonal fruits that we get in summer? Mango, watermelon, pineapple and guava. Shall we move on, children? Yes, the sun rays fall directly over the earth in summer season. And the days are long and nights are short in summer season. So, the summer period will have 3 months. Those are April, May and June. And in summer season, we stay indoors and to feel comfortable, we use the air conditioner, air cooler and fan. Okay, children? You all will remember these things, right? Now, teacher will go to the another season. Shall we go? Yes. Yes, monsoon. What will happen in the monsoon season? Yes, pitter-patter raindrops will fall over the earth. Okay, children? Shall we go and see what is there in the monsoon season? Yes, monsoon season. What is monsoon season? Rainy season. We were talking like rainy season and all, right? The monsoon season and rainy season both are same. Okay? Monsoon season and rainy season both are same. Now, shall I tell you why we call rainy season as monsoon season? See this picture closely, children. Come on. If you observe this, now you know that 70% of our earth is water. The blue part is water and the green part is land. During the monsoon season, before it begins, see the arrow marks you can see? Red color arrow marks. The winds are blowing from the sea to the land. See the winds? The winds are blowing from the sea to the land. It starts during the monsoon season. Those cool and wet winds that blow from the sea are called monsoon winds. Those cool and wet winds that blow from the sea are called monsoon winds. Okay? When the monsoon winds come to the land, then it starts raining. Then we will get our monsoon season. Understood, children? And how the sky will be in the monsoon season? It will be covered with dark clouds. Isn't it, children? Yes or no? The sky is covered with dark clouds. And also, we see a rainbow in the sky. Did you all see a rainbow any time, children? Yes? You all might have seen a rainbow, right? How many colors are there in a rainbow? Can anybody tell me? Yes, there are 7 colors in a rainbow. Very good, children. Now, shall we move on? Yes. So, the monsoon period. Teacher told you about the summer period. The monsoon period. Monsoon period will also have 3 months. What are they? July, August, September. What are the 3 months in the monsoon period? July, August and September. Okay, do you know, children, there is a place in our country that receives the highest rainfall in the world. The place will always be wet. Okay, that place is Masinram in Khasi Hills of Meghalaya. That is a place. Okay, Masinram is a name of village. See this board, you can see the village name. Masinram is a village. And the hill area where it is located is Khasi Hills. And Meghalaya is a state. Like we are all living in Telangana. Telangana is the name of our state. Meghalaya is the name of a state. So the place that receives highest rainfall in the world is Masinram in Khasi Hills of Meghalaya. Remember this, children. It is very important for you and you will all need to do this in your workbook also. Yes, now accessories for a rainy day. What all we need? We need a raincoat, isn't it, children? And we also need gumboots, umbrella, hat, gloves. Why we'll use all these things? To not get wet. Isn't it, children? What will happen if we get wet? We'll become sick, isn't it? Yes or no? Yes, we all like to play in the muddy paddles. We all like to play with our paper boats when it rains, children, isn't it? Yes, we all like to do that. But we also need to take care of our health. So we should use these accessories also in a rainy day. Understood, children? Now we discussed about two seasons. What are they? Summer and monsoon season. In our next session, we will discuss about another seasons. Okay, children, for now we have learned so many things today, right? So you will remember all these things. Watch the video 2 times, 3 times, 4 times till you are like familiar with all the new words which you have learned today. You learned so many things about seasons today, right? You learned about weather, types of weather, season, climate, so many things. So please watch the video twice, thrice till you are familiar with all those things. Okay, children? Have fun. Take care. Bye.